who join His Excellency the President to introduce the Code of Conduct to appointees present here.
At this juncture, it is my honor and privilege to declare the Code of Conduct for political appointees duly launched.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency and the senior government officials. Shall we all rise as the national anthem is rendered? Thank you very much. All right. Let me announce before we depart that some vehicles which constitute gift items to His Excellency the President will be formally handed over to the state in compliance with the very Code of Conduct that His Excellency has outlined. So the President is leading from the front, and it is anticipated that we all follow suit. Thank you very much. That brings us to the end of today's program.
And that was it there from the presidency, where we just had a launch of the and appointees. And it's been a short ceremony, but very, I would say that very impactful. Yeah, the right word, impactful. The President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, applied to ministers that is stated in the book or Code of Conduct. So, for every board member in any government, either of the Vice President, presidential staffers, ministers, heads of government, and says that Ghanaians deserve